Hi guys, this is a base 44 Russian Aztec machine and a anal ozonator. Machine works with frequency to the colon. That's a far infrared UV ozone machine. This is a Rife plasma generator. It works with frequency. That's a colon board. You lay on it with your bum against the hole there. It's laying flat on a toilet. You insert a little 6mm pipe in your rectum. It works via the rectum, doing cleaning work. That's just some lab equipment to do tests in your blood, urine, and saliva. We also do dark field microscopy tests. That's ozone and steam sauna. That's some blood purification machines. This machine is our pride and glory. It's smuggled into South Africa. It's a Rife generator, plasma generator. It's got a test tube that you insert rectal, get plugged into a handheld device, works with frequency. That is a lymph suit where you drain the lymph system. We set, that's a recline table where we get circulation on a nice laid back farm, lots of game. And yeah, so that is in short a wellness centrum. So first of all, we do a RBTI test. We look at your blood, urine, and saliva, see the condition that's in. Based on that, we work out a protocol. Then you get in a sauna where you get to sweat with steam and ozone, also far infrared and UV. From there, you go on a lymph machine. Your lymph get drained. From that, you go to a plasma machine, where with the Rife plasma frequency generator, we play frequency at the body. From that, you go onto the colon machine, on the colon board, and whatever your lymph system have dumped into your gut, we flush it through the rectum. It normally takes 20 cleanses of 20 liters of fluids per time. 20 cleanses before the crap stop leaving your body. When the body is clean, when the body is alkaline, we also work with the mind with very potent protocols that I'll discuss with you in person. How we clean the subconscious mind, whatever is going on there, and get you back on the path. And that's RBTI Health and Wellness.